Rasmus is going to attempt to jump across the table. Go for it. Yay! Lucas, can you jump across the table?
We can't. He's like walking.
Try it. Now Lukey's going to try it. Wow, good job. That was excellent.
Daddy was like a hawk.
Yeah. Are you kicking me?
You got the Hanabushi big Ben. Yeah. Yeah, Abushi, the daddy Bushi Ben. Yeah. It's a yacht. Bushi big Ben. Yeah, we love Bushi big Ben. Bushi big Ben. Ready, set, go. Somebody, it's a train.
Yeah.